Hi, this is Savva, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk to you about planning permission and what's required when it comes to air conditioning. When you're considering an air conditioning system, and indeed if you could have a conventional system, which means a condenser box on the outside or penetrations to the outside, then planning permission is something that you need to seek. Aside from speaking to the local authority and getting planning permission, or applying for planning permission I should say, you also need to speak to the building management and then all the obstacles and hurdles associated with such a request. Most of the time, and we've got a vast experience in this, if you're living in an apartment and you're in a central location, this is likely to be declined, purely because nobody wants the ugly boxes on the outside. You do not own the external demise of your property, so you can't make any penetrations to the outside. And it's all well and great in theory when everything's brand new and it's out there and it's fairly quiet, but after a while and it hasn't been serviced, it starts whining and it starts looking rusty. And this is why people don't, and the building managers don't want ugly looking boxes on the outside, because if you then went out there on a nice summer's evening and your neighbour's got their AC on, you won't appreciate listening to that groaning along a couple of metres above your head. So this is why generally with apartments in central London, it will be declined. The fantastic thing about our solutions is that all these hurdles can be completely avoided. Our solutions are completely internal to your apartment. There are no penetrations to the outside. We do not penetrate the demise of your property. We do not affect your neighbours in any way. Everything is contained within your property, nice, quietly and discreetly, which means you don't have to worry about any planning permissions. With our type of solution, in the same way you wouldn't normally ask for permission to install a water softener under your sink or an additional washing machine or tumble dryer, you wouldn't need to ask any other further permission to install our system. It's the same type of installation. So if you would like any more information on what I've just said, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.